scratch handle, I think. I couldn't see anything.
I got thrown sideways.
Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah.
I couldn't see anything. I was just trying to go straight because I don't know what's in front of me. But brown.
Was a bit of our splash hitting you?
I don't know. Mostly my splash, I think, hits me.
Well, I think we helped you.
I can't see it.
Yeah, I felt my handle hit his handle.
Yeah, we did have a collision. Yeah.
We got lucky there.
It's all minor.
Yeah, you pushed me sideways.
No, I was just hoping.
Mhm.
You get across the puddle. I should have helped you a bit more.
No, a little bit more help and I would have